Old downtown.
Myself and Zach, I'm playing music from there.
Flow 94.9 FM, the flow of God's home state. You're welcome to Kingdom Gospel Time with Apostle Paul David of Kingdom Stakeholders Revival City Incorporated.
See what God has in store for us.
What pressure go or in our pump for the thing?
50 gifts. Especially 50. When we
No.
50 is too much.
One working, that is the pressure I will start, I will get it.
So the motor song is the pressure of pump.
Yeah, the motor is supposed to show, yeah.
How long is it the pressure of pump?
Yeah, about 50, you're trying to destroy, blow the tire up.
Going out in the morning to get what the angel of the Lord came and said,
I got 50, I don't know.
No. It's a 30 something, not even anywhere close to 50.
Surprised.
That's something.
Yeah.
But the angel here did not get angry with her, right?
Josephine, your car still have, it still have internet?
Let me see.
I used to be able to, peace. You have when we get them this thing, put it, when we go home, I'll eat the rest of them. When we go to the village, I'll get some more. I see that you like that sneakers. You were asking for sneakers, asking how do you know about sneakers? She said she got it from Josephine.
Reese's is good too. I like Reese's better than Snickers. They have Reese's.
I don't like that.
You like peanut butter?
Snickers? What is Snickers? I don't
It's
know.
peanut butter and chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
That's
chocolate.
Reese's. Reese's is peanut butter and chocolate. Snicker is peanuts and chocolate.
I just use it because of my blood sugar. Not because I love...
what is it called? Is it made from
it's
what?
chocolate. Chocolate
And peanuts. Yes.
Peanuts.
Yes.
Okay.
But don't eat too much of it. You'll be fat.
Okay. Let want to
Any
see.
candy.
No, forget it. Let's not keep making all this stuff with
Yeah.
It's make me fat.
Yeah. If you eat too much, it'll make you fat.
Me fly.
That's not cheap.
It does not make me fat.
It will.
It's
I was like you. And look at me.
Where's up my water?
I like the building. It's nice.
So,
I like the vaulted ceiling.
okay.
Some hotels have a gym here?
No, deer. Over there.
A deer?
Some have here. They have.
Okay.
So that's
Okay.
it's not that you guys.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Okay. I'll probably drown in this one.
No, this no problem. No, this is
How many feet?
If you stand there, you can see not it. You say it's not it.
Okay.
I'll show you the other guy. That's the one way out there. One was just looking at.
Instrument, plus tire, this light vehicles, and convention.
The tire pressure is just what is that tire pressure is again?
54, 54, 54, 49.
Because it tells us each wheel, which one left, the exact wheel. You need to, let it out.
Santa's Grotto in
Yes, 54, the back.
has never been so
Back light, passenger side back.
They don't dash me 20,000 naira okay, dash 20,000 naira for this kind time. Then they dash everybody will get smart cash account 20,000 naira. You mean they go dash me 20,000 naira? I will dash all old and new smart cash users 20,000 naira. People make them dial star 939 hash or download smart cash app to open their own account.
They should actually have a way to check it. What if you continue pushing pressure and then the tire busts?
Your 20K terms and conditions they shall. I don't see my own wolf.
Because almost they can kill somebody.
Detail. Think of Rex Insurance. Think of the resilience of overheating of grinding injury time. Think of the equity frying of bunkers of golden plantain without tasting any.
Stanley, you have tasted more than half of the plantain on the fire.
Think of the efficiency of making a sumptuous plate of papa with just 3,000 naira.
That's 220 naira.
Fresh.
Insurance. Our values of
Oh,
resilience,
don't
efficiency,
worry.
excellence, integrity, and teamwork
Who
have
have
remained
air freshener,
unwavering
yeah.
since 1918. No matter your
You can just buy some and then throw it inside there.
engineering, general
What is
accident,
this guy
energy,
driving?
auto and marine, our values and prompt claims payment are your assurance of our commitment to you. Rex Insurance, you're not alone.
Good morning, my people. Now your pilot need you now. Today we get special passengers for inside lane. Three veteran members they go England to watch Aston Villa match live. Big congratulations to Ibeka, Yemi, and Ibrahim. We don't. February 28, 2025.
That's your day.
Okay, all time, can't be rich.
Yes, 6 o'clock.
Lost your way. Rest assured, you wouldn't have the nerve to find it on the road show.
But home in a big picture.
Yeah.
What time do they close? I can have it.
Oh, also like another case in mechanic today.
By the time you get there, it's still going to be, what if
Oh, my level. Oh, my level. Yes, so I'm going to be so I'm going to have to go to that.
okay. So they get back into more in our town.
How you make that about it?
Giving you the perfect opportunity to make your
I'm going
garden
to
more
make it. I'm
exciting and your cooking more unforgettable. You know, food that has everyone asking, who is this? I'm coming back for more Amore. Want to feel like a superstar in your kitchen. And guess what? You can be that superstar, turning every meal into a
Because when I turn them, when I pump in, I'm going to this pressure.
Yeah.
But that's more drive for it. How's it drive?
Yeah, but you have to drive it now before you record it. Because it's going to record the pressure. But you know when I pump anything, I suppose they will hold you measure now.
I want to that pressure something.
Is your
Get pump that's not 50-50.
Other flavorful stew. Tomato juice makes your meals on the next level. No more worrying about your current tomato prices or how to preserve them. Sachet of tomato juice is packed with fresh tomato.
So when it's inspection sticker on the windows now.
Tomato mix.
Yes.
That's good.
From farm to kitchen.
But on the policeman, and
You can
I'll be half of that.
So this Christmas,
What are they looking for
tomato
there?
mix.
I think you had documents.
Memorable meals. What special holiday dish are you making with tomato juice tomato mix? Share with us on Instagram or Twitter and hashtag Team Tomato Juice and tag
So
even more special.
the left now the left
to kitchen.
front and back, and then what about the
other side?
Yeah.
49, 44, 54.
Let me just grab a.
Don't worry. We'll worry about another place. Fire, but I'm all right.
Okay, that Jordan's on a course, so it's only main struck water from the system a lot.
Yeah.
So I have to keep drinking water to replenish.
Yeah. But I will die here.
Okay.
I will die here for just 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh, go ahead.
Very beautiful. We went to that hotel not there now. Get on this that's now the fully booked.
Okay.
That was why what took us there.
But in terms of security, about not the moon.
Yeah, that's what they said,
They will pay you off and ask you to get out.
Yeah. When people are suffering under the the hardship.
This current government.
That's how but because now the like guy had it close. So now I get better. I said that's good. That's good.
He said, yeah, it is. So we roll at 60.
Or just Chima is I'm not sure we roll at 60. I know Chima.
Now BC.
Yes. When is the minutes we are there, I'm going to walk around.
Hey, you're right. It's a bit
yeah.
He drinks a lot.
For 30 days. Now this I'm also slave. So, but doctors are know a new one that for that place will kill it. For now,
no, but let me say that if the antibodies are there, it doesn't mean you have the disease.
But I won't get it before.
You get targets as a child in Nigeria. No, I'm just trying to
No, it's possible, yeah.
How you can get target before you went to do it? That's a child.
That's true.
Because the antibodies, if they are there, they're there. They don't go. It's like these tuberculosis. They are there because it was the one who had us children on 29.
Yeah, so since after taking that antibiotic for 30 days, yeah. Doctors any symptoms again like body, come back, we find it's okay.
No, but what I'll tell you, don't take some of this is off your mind.
Yes.
I look at the secretary here.
Yeah, this is the way we drove around this beautiful part of Omaya.
I wanted to buy a house, but it's expensive and Manga is on board cheap.
But asking somebody, one person came and then acquired, bought all the land.
Yeah.
And then business raised here back.
Maybe a book. Yeah. I was his doctor, wanted to sell to me.
Okay.
And do he not going to go home and kill who you have to know?
But everybody, people are living here a lot now.
no, one get a pizza. And the nearness, if it's not even town, if you don't have a car, how they jog it, these are the things that I think I consider. So think less of your car.
No, honestly.
So long as you're taking your drugs,
there is this where meditation. That's what is do the ones you can, and then anything that is beyond your control.
Yeah.
You don't have to keep
worrying about it.
Yeah. How far can Chigere be from you?
Let's get it go.
Who Julie? My Julie now.
Okay. Maybe happy, Jokaiga. You may be happy. Julie, huh? Okay.
What's naked?
Okay, yes. Okay, let's go.
House now, been buying American. Still living.
Let's go. Yes, I know. Cow, something on the road.
Yeah.
I know that. You know, I went for the burial. Yes, I was there from service. In fact, before they left, I'm idea we were close.
Okay. No, I'm not Nigerian because I don't remember if somebody mentioned it to me. Give me.
Julie, let's me the cool Killian Iguaco. Oh, Julie, can I be behind a port?
Yes.
Oh, I'm mommy behind you. Which more the other Iguaco here?
Oh, which other one?
Get what innocent.
No, innocent. I got it there.
When I got out, okay. Get Julie, mommy behind you.
Innocent, can I lose your sister?
Check up when I food now.
Yeah, also now the same place she been living.
Check up what you.
Yeah.
I have a number.
Let me give you the number.
No, Jim number.
Oh, but your number is the correct number.
Okay, can't come out.
Let me check. Okay, so this is a Morano, right? Useless. Okay, I'm working on Ivlata. No, and then
I go from America.
I'm telling you.
That guy is almost, it's a new car, not a brand new car. When they didn't about it, no more.
No, I bought about a little bit yesterday. But it was very far. It was 5 o'clock.
No, that's late.
Yeah, so I wanted just for 1 hour.
Our AC is working.
Yeah, but very.
Now I'm in America now.
Oh, here, Acura, MDX.
Acura.
Yeah. MDX, very good.
But this place is very strong.
Yeah.
Very.
So it's stronger and then solid.
Solid. Maintenance costs here are very low, but don't maybe it will cost you money.
Yeah.
But work I hadn't done garden. What time before you get the major that 10-20 years from now.
No, the MDX is like so much. NDX 2018. But because now Bambi don't want to know from home. I wasn't going to the office. So with such a low mileage, it made like every 30,000 miles. Yeah. Someone for the
Yeah, FM. I wish no one should be Dame para ellos.
Say that again. What is it again?
I said some.
Yeah. Now for like late tomorrow.
No. Once come on, check out now by 12 o'clock. So before 10, before I have breakfast. So hopefully on Monday, I got only a couple of things actually. We will go in our village. So once Monday to Lariana, so the two cars will be able to take whatever that is left. Monday we'll check.
Okay.
Yeah, you know something. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay, all the kind of hotel today. Okay. Yeah, those are the hotel. Yeah, he knows how to drive.
How far with the children? Emmanuel, what will your name go here on job? How old that is doing?
No, I'm kind of doing now. Came when I went to go trouble right here, you know. As my mom knew, okay, I got through him, okay, you know, because not why did you take it now? You when you call the phone Chinese now, which will actually, you know, passed out.
Jesus Christ.
Before, you know, he woke up now, hold on. Came back when guys, you know, got one day police like Ada, worry, you know, put him away for good. So when the police now, they are only like there like 5 months. And when your man go now?
5 months or 5 years?
5 months.
Oh, now?
Yeah. So hopefully I'm going to give him one idea now, so nobody will leave him there.
Well, he's the only person that is
Yeah, he's the only one that is the little boy, your parent now, people now, is just doing well, you know.
Okay, doing well, praise God.
Parent of people then only two of them that died. I'm doing everything I can to get him off.
I think it's my brother, America gave me.
You can a little easier now. But him not
for a young man
school, the same school where this other boy may apply. You know, I'm bored 2 ways. So you know when he's applying to that schools.
Now Britain and America.
No, like UK. So but don't go and I can tell you just like American embassy. Also with admission because after now if you're lucky, you know, you're lucky like what you go ahead office. I'm not the day
you will take a visit from any other and I can make you a fresh passport.
Exactly.
I would have preferred them coming to US. That's now I got to go passport. I got no difficulty. Even you must come back to Nigeria to get a visa. You can't.
Okay, I'm oily, hot, tired. I just met somebody on the elevator, a stranger, that had a picture of this lady. He just came back from a funeral, She was 105 years old. That's amazing. I took a picture of it. I'm gonna post it. So I came back to my room. It's taking me an hour nap, and then get up and eat. That sounds lazy, but yeah. I'm gonna take me an hour nap. I'm tired. This heat, it don't play. It's actually not super hot. It's hot when you go inside an enclosed space. That's when you start sweating. Or when you walk in a lot, it's like doing some work. That's when. But anyways, this is the village that's next to the hotel. Uh-oh. I'm gonna cut that light off. They're gonna be like, what the hell that light coming from? My bad. But anyway, so that's a village. That's next to this hotel. And of course, that's the hotel. I mean, that's the shit, you know what I'm saying? That's the parking lot to the hotel, rather. Being nosy. But yeah. Anyways, I'm taking a nap. Had to stop in and say hey. I'm about to take my nap. Hour nap. I just need an hour nap. And I'll be there. Because I'm tired. Anyways. I would show my room. It's kind of messy. I don't let them come in and clean because I don't like people around my stuff, so I tell them don't clean. I just get new towels, but this is the second hotel. Yeah. So yeah. Let me put the light on. It takes a while for the lights to come on all the way once you put them on. It takes a while for it to power on all the way. It's like dim and then it get dark. I mean light. I'm tired. But yeah, so that's the bathroom. I hate that about that light. It takes a while to get bright. Anyways, so the room, and again, the outside. That dude over there probably like, what is she doing? Because I had that light blasting in his eyes when we got probably. But anyway, I'm about to take a nap. Tomorrow, we'll be going to the village. I'm so ready to go to the village. I am so excited about going to the village. So far, we came here. We left on the 12th, made it on the 13th. We were in Port Harcourt for a while, and then we came to Abbey Estate. I think Port Harcourt is located in River State. And so north, about 2 hours north, is Abbey Estate. That's where we're at. We're in Abbey Estate. We're in the capital of Abbey Estate. So tomorrow we'll be going to the village. I'm excited about going to the village. I don't know why, I'm just am. Anyways, I'm gonna take my hour nap. And I may come back tomorrow when we get to the village. Possibly. Maybe. Anyways, I'm so I'm greasy and hot. But anyways, we'll be back. Peace. Okay. I was just about to take my shower and the lights went out. Normally the lights come back on within a minute. Tonight, this morning, 12 o'clock in the morning, the lights decided they're not gonna come back on. I ain't gonna lie. When the lights went out and I waited and waited, I was waiting, sitting in the bed waiting for them to come back on. And then I was like, they're not gonna come back on. So I started getting nervous. I'm like, what are lights? So, and then I think my mind started getting to me. I started smelling something burning. I was like, oh, hell no, I'm on the 3rd floor. Let me go down to my daddy's room. I put on my flip-flops. And I get my purse. But I look out the door, it's dark as hell. I'm scared. So I'm like, what should I do? I'm not gonna burn up in this building. So I knocked on the neighbor door across the hall. Mind you, I didn't realize it was 12:22 a.m. He said, who is it? I said, across the hall. He said, who across the? I said, across the hall. I don't know what else to say if I am. He answered the door. I said, do you smell something burning? He looked, he said, I don't smell nothing burning. I was like, oh, I thought I smelled something burning. He said, don't worry, no reason to worry. He said, everything's fine. He said, only thing you gotta worry about is hopefully the lights come back on. So I said, okay. I came back here, took my shoes off, took my purse off. And now I'm sitting. No ma'am. Y'all need to get these lights turned back on. No. No Wi-Fi. I don't have no Wi-Fi. I just got to go with my phone service, which is shaky. I got to take a bath. I need to wash my face. It's just not okay. But they got outside lights. The lights in the parking lot work. See? Uh-oh. Oh shit, how do you turn this flashlight back on? So, we about to just thug it out until, hopefully, I'm gonna wait a little minute. Let me start. I can't take no shower, no dark. I may have to. I wonder, because the hot water is not gonna work in dark unless it's a boiler room. I don't know. Like, really? For real? I was trying to put my hair up in a ponytail. But yeah. So, but typically the lights are off like a minute and the backup generator comes on. But I don't know what's wrong with the backup generator, but it didn't come on. So y'all gonna be with me until we give it 5 minutes. I don't want to have to take a bath in the dark. Where's the... Gotta wipe my face. I need to go to bed because I'm supposed to get up like 6:30ish. So I need to get in the bed. But I don't know. I feel, part of me, I can't go to sleep because I feel like I smell something burning. My mom playing tricks on me. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I gotta wipe this makeup off my face. It's dark here. Flashlight is on. Oh, that's called a masquerade. The people in the costume, it's considered a masquerade, and basically, how to describe it? is like traditionally they think it's supposed to represent like the spirit of your ancestors. Oh, Jesus, thank you. The light stone came back on. Jesus, thank you. Thank you. Ooh. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna bounce around. Thank you. Shit. Oh, thank you, Jesus. But yeah, they're supposed to represent they go and dance around, and it's supposed to, the belief is that the ancestral spirits will get into them. I can't completely explain it. I'm gonna post it on Facebook what a masquerade is. But yeah, that's what they are. There's people in costumes, and they feel like traditionally they believe that their ancestral spirits take over those people in the costumes. But yeah, but it's called a masquerade. Okay, the lights don't came back on. We good. Don't be turning the lights off and leave them off like that. No gain. No gain. Shit. Get me in here scared. I was about to go to my daddy room and say, let's go, it's burning. Anyway, I'm gonna go take a shower. Be back tomorrow. Peace. If you liked the video, like, share, and subscribe. And check out our website at nwanyi.com.